This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix TikTok filters not working issue on iPhone. So if you're facing TikTok effects not working, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check for new TikTok update. Go to your App Store, search for TikTok. If you see any update available, then update your TikTok app and then check the issue. And the second solution is offload the TikTok app. Go to settings, tap on general, iPhone storage, tap on TikTok, offload app. Once done, you will get reinstall option here. So reinstall the app and check the issue. And the third solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your phone and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is uninstall your TikTok app and reinstall it from App Store. And it should fix TikTok effects not working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.